Hello friends, welcome back. We have to prove that two parallel lines are equidistant from another parallel line in this example. So let's see how we can solve this. Prove that lines 3x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 24 equal to 0 are equidistant from 3x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Let's just roughly try to draw these lines, three parallel lines. First one we will say 3x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. Next one is 3x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 24 equal to 0. If the line 3x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 has to be equidistant from other two parallel lines, then it should be at equal distance from both of them and should be in the middle. So how we will solve this problem is, we will try to find out a point on 3x plus 4y plus 8. After that we will leverage the distance of line from a particular point, specific point formula, to prove that the distance d1 is equal to d2. We will prove d1 is equal to d2. So for that, first we have to identify a point on 3x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. I see 4 and 8 are multiples, so if I take x0, I will get an integer value in y. That will make it easy for me. So I will say x equal to 0 gives me 4y equal to minus 8 or y equal to minus 2. So we know that 0 comma minus 2 is a point on the straight line 3x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Now let's calculate what is d1. d1 equal to the distance of 0 comma minus 2 from the straight line 3x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. That is 3 into 0 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8 divided by square root of a square plus b square, that is 3 square plus 4 square, that's equal to 0 minus 8 minus 8, so it becomes minus of 16 mod of that divided by square root of 9 plus 16, that's equal to 16 divided by 5. Let's calculate what is d2. d2 again the same formula. Now we are calculating distance of 0 comma minus 2 from 3x plus 4y plus 24 equal to 0. That will be 3 into 0 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 24 divided by a square plus b square, that is 3 square plus 4 square, square root of that, that's equal to 16 divided by square root of 9 plus 16, that's equal to 16 by 5. Now we have proven that d1 equal to d2. That proves that 3x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 is equidistant from two lines 3x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 24 equal to 0. So whenever we have to prove that a parallel line is equidistant from two other parallel lines, we can find out a point on that line and then prove that the distances to the from this specific point to the other two parallel lines is equal, which proves that the line is in the middle of those two lines and equidistant from both of them. So we will solve some more examples as part of distance between parallel lines in coming sessions.